Good morning, this is Jim Patton, and today we will be showing you a short video of how to log in to Wegather, our ministry website. The easiest way is go to queenofpeaceparish.org website, click on Serving, and then click the Wegather login. No URLs to remember. The login, when it comes up, it will remember the last login that you did. I don't remember passwords. So I re-enter my password and I touch login. Then it will ask you to do that. It says, hello Wegather, we're glad to have you back. And it shows you 3 ministries that are, if you do here and discover more groups, then you can see all of the groups that we have. All of our groups are private, so you have to ask to join. And another way of finding the ministry that you are involved in, if you click My Groups, this will give you all of the groups. Now, for the Ministry Leader group, I am a member of this group, and it shows you here that I'm a member. You click here, you can leave the group if you want. You click on the name Ministry Leaders Group, and that will bring up you information about that group. Whenever you join a ministry or you go to this page, the first thing that you want to do is to manage notifications. And you want to click every post. This way you will get every post when someone posts. The second thing that you want to do is to receive text notifications from this group. Many people are using text rather than email, and then just click the save button. Now, once you are in the group, you can see as a member all of the things that other people or your ministry leader has posted for you. You can also view the group members. This is normally those group members. This is all of the members of this group. This is the ministry leaders group. Exit it out. Then you can also view all the members individually if you wanted to do some action on that. If you wanted to send an email to Edna, or you wanted more information about Edna, you can do that. So, thank you for your attention.